Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up for the first time the vacuum robot Roomba 405 Plus. So in the first step we have to just remove everything from the box and remove the this protection from the robot. Now we have to add the ramp extension to the dock station. You should find it in the accessories, of course. Okay, and we have to just push it until you hear the click. Okay, it's okay. Then let's go to the robot and let's try to turn it on. If you cannot just turn on your robot, the battery is empty, we have to just put it to the dock station with these charging sensors. Now we have to connect the charging station with the cable. There we have the cable, and you have to connect it to the socket on the back of your dock station. Okay, as you can see, there we have the LED icons. That means it's turned on. Now we can try to charge the robot manually or just turn it on. Okay, now it's turned on.
Charging.
And now I think we have to wait some time to charge the battery of the robot. In this time, we have to download the application. So let's open the Play Store on the Android or App Store in the iOS devices. Then let's find the Roomba application. Okay, one more time. I have some network issues. Now just download the iRobot Home Classic app. Okay, we got the application, so we can just turn it on. Now we have to select the location or country. Then you can set the app language. I'm gonna select the English. Then accept the terms and conditions. Now we have to create an account or login to existed one. So just give me a second. Okay, I created the account. Now we have to verify it with the code on the email. So just go to your inbox and copy the code from the Roomba service. Then click on the verify. Allow the permissions, turn on the Bluetooth, allow a permission once again. Then click on the continue and allow a permission to the location. Now we are looking for the nearby products. Your vacuum should make the Wi-Fi network from the vacuum, but if you don't see, we can click on the setup on the Roomba or scan the QR code or select the product. I see my Roomba, so I'm gonna click the setup now. And now we have to open the Roomba Home app. Okay, sorry, so I downloaded the wrong application. Sorry about that, guys. I just making it for the first time. But now with the Roomba Home should work fine, and I think you should work with the same account that you registered on the previous application. Now allow a permission, continue, and allow a permission once again. Now we're looking for the products. And now click on the add robot like before. Now we have to connect the robot to Wi-Fi, so check that this is your network. If not, just change it. If yes, click on yes, continue, and now we have to enter the password to the Wi-Fi. Okay, scare. Okay, and now we have to press the robot power button. If robot is blinking, the last icon are blinking, it's good. Now we are verify the password. Okay, and I think we are now connected to the Wi-Fi network and we can manage the appliance from the application. Okay, my robot is connected, we can change the name or save actual one, click on the next. And now we have to update the robot. Basically that's it. If you're looking for the videos how to create the map, make the fast mapping or the other tutorials for this device, you can check our channel. For now it's done. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.